everybody, welcome to Ash & Co Workshops. I just wanted to talk through to you what our kits look like when they have been used by children. So, this is my wonderful daughter Lily, she's 8 years old, say hi.
Hi.
And this is my wonderful son Harry, he's 4 years old, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, okay, great stuff. So, this afternoon, while we were shipping out rainbows and Easter bunnies and things like that, my daughter worked with two of our kits, the Easter bunny kit, this one here, and also the kitty cat kit. So this is what you made, isn't it, Lily? Yeah. So this is your Easter bunny here, so let's pick him up, and he's got a little cat. So he looks brilliant, and you've chosen to wrap the wool around his legs and give him nice little cute wire arms. So what did you think of the kits?
They were great.
They were great. Did you have fun making them?
Yeah.
Excellent. And did you find it quite easy or quite difficult?
Well, it was easy other than when I had to stick this bit, I had to turn it around a lot.
You had to turn it around a lot to kind of wrap it around and stick it on. Well, yeah, but you got there in the end, didn't you? You did a great job. He looks really cool. I really, really love the bunny. So you've made something completely unique to you, haven't you? Excellent. Do you love it? Excellent. And what about the kitty cat? You stuck the flowers on the outside, that looks really good. And you used the washers for the eyes with the bits in the middle and a heart on the front. Oh, and that there. I think it looks brilliant. I love the curly tail as well. And did you have fun doing the kitty cat as well?
Yeah.
Excellent. So, I know that you're my daughter, but do you love our kits? Out of 10, what score would you give our kits? Better be 10.
10.
Yay! You'll eat tonight. Excellent, that's great. And Harry?
14.
14 out of 10? Oh, great. You get chocolate as well then.
Oh.
I'm only joking.
20.
I'm only joking. Neither you get chocolate.
Oh.
Ah, you could both have chocolate. Go on then. As soon as we're stuck indoors. Okay, so Harry, you made your kit. You did this almost all on your own, didn't you? We helped you with a little bit of the sticking, didn't we?
Yeah.
But did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Excellent. And look what Harry made. He's made a wonderful thing from our kitty cat kit. I did give him a couple of extra legs actually, and we helped drill those in, didn't we? So because you wanted legs and arms on yours, yeah, okay. But did you have fun doing it?
Yeah.
You did? Oh, excellent. And what's your favourite bit of your kitty?
Playing with it.
Just playing with it afterwards. Brilliant. And you're going to take it home and play with it now?
Yeah.
Excellent. So a little bit of help with a 4-year-old, but I think he did pretty well actually. He knew exactly what he wanted to make. Had to find some extra blocks and kind of work that too, but we did that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, well thanks for watching. That's what my kids think of it anyway. Thankfully, I got a 10 out of 10 and a 14 out of 10. Do you want to upgrade your score?
20.
A 20 out of 10. 100 out of 10. Fantastic.
Infinity plus 1.
The Infinity plus 1, even better. Well, great. And what about you?
16.
16. Oh, more upgrades on this side too. Well, that's all from us. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. You got to wave.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.